Just look at my hair. Whose child am I? Natafuna aje ka ng'ombe.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm seated here and I'm just from the bathroom. The glow is hitting different. Yeah, I know. Anyway, apart from my face, just look at my hair. Whose child am I? Hebu niangalie tu. Hii kitu inakaa ya nani? Inakaa ni kama sina kwetu. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I wanna undo my hair and do some maintenance check. Look at my nails. They have served. Hizi hazijakaa sana. Hizi nilitengeneza I don't know, I can't remember really. I'm trying to find a date yenye naweza fananisha nayo. But I can't remember. But I guess it was the beginning of this month. So I'm just gonna change my feet, my toenails. Gadi nasikia aiboonyesha because the way they are looking. Zinatoka gel, zinakasijui aje. So guys, I think this is just an alert. Look at my eyebrows. You guys. Yeah. The last time I trimmed them, I groomed them was 19 BC. Yeah. So guys, let's do something. Follow me. I'm gonna share every step and maybe I'm gonna go and get new products. So I'm gonna give you some plugs of where I get my beauty products. So come. If you're not subscribed, you know the drill. Hapa utoke hapa kama uja subscribe. Umesikia? Yeah. Najuanga mna watchingi am subscribe na pia wengine wana watchingi hawa like. Yo like yako. Okay. Come along. Hi guys. So I'm just gonna do my hair. I did my hair. It's looking so bad. I want to do natural curls today and maybe surprise people. You know, umenizoea nikifunga nywele tu. Let me try and do some curls or something. I don't know. Let's see where like creativity will get us to. Hi guys, nimemaliza nywele but haijatokea vile nilikuwa nataka. But we can work with that. It looks nice, like it looks like a well put through. Like we can work with that. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. So I'm going to school. First I'm gonna eat. Let's go. Hey guys, I hope you can see me. Natafuna aje ka ng'ombe. So I am from the shop to purchase hair that I want to do. I have been thinking of like doing a weave on. So I got this hair. It's called Chantel and it's very nice. Nimeshafungua. It's the hair out of the package and it's not like as long as I would want it to be, but iko sawa, I can work with that. It comes with aka closure piece, but wameshona vibaya. Haijashona vile inafaa kushona, but at least it's there and it has a natural hairline. And after I'm done with like sewing it on, I can turn it into a wig ya kuendanga, ya kufanyanga everyday like work. then ile ya human hair itakuwa ya special occasions definitely, right? So I want it straight, sikuwa nataka ikuwa na waves, you get, nataka ikuwe straight. So I feel like I wanna try and use my flat iron. Pray for me, I'm crossing my fingers, pray for me. I try and use my flat iron on it and see how it's gonna handle heat. Then later on today I will do my nails in the evening, then tomorrow I'm gonna get to do my fingernails. And my hair is washed but just straighteniwa, so it may shrink, though it's very soft juu iko na oils, leave-in and everything nice inside there. So let me see the turnout. I hope it's that choma, like literally choma. Let's see how it's gonna turn out, then I'm gonna show you. You guys, oh my god, I've tried to give this hair grace. It's looking so good, but no. Aki, I'm so allergic to hair. I don't know. Ooh, I've been itching extremely. Like my hair is on fire. I need to undo it right now. Ooh. Acha mtu anibomoe sahii. Acha nibomolewe. So guys, kuna mikosi ilifanyika, and you guys, I want to do my hair. So as you have seen there, I did my hair, and a few days later, I did my hair on Friday. Yes, I think it was on a Friday. Then Saturday, nikakaa na hiyo Friday usiku, Saturday, Sunday. On Monday, yes, because it was after Easter. On Monday evening, what? I almost passed out. I had a very severe allergic reaction. Nilianzanga on like maybe Saturday. Nilikuwa na feel tingling nyingine hapo weird, nasikia sijui aje, nikasema labda ni vile nimeshukwa na ameni tight nywele sana. By the time on Sunday ilikuwa inafika, I was like this hivi. On Monday nikasema let me spray some vinegar inside. It cooled down, but as soon after my head dried, back to factory reset. And right now I'm still having very bad bumps in my head. Niko na tu vidonda because of kujikuna. I'm so worried, guys. My hair looks like I don't know what. So I have to let it heal. I cannot do anything on my hairline right now. Niko na tu zile lines za weave and nishukwa. So you know what I will do? I'm just gonna finish this vlog with my wig, and I'm gonna style it differently. If you don't know where I got it from, mirefu. If you don't know where I got it from, you have to watch my previous video. I have everything there. So we're gonna finish the mini there. I did my nails and they're looking so cute. I missed doing blue, like a pop of color, and maybe next time I'm gonna do a monochrome set, like kila moja a solid color, red preferably. Can you look at my brows, guys? Look at them. It's been a minute since I had like perfect shaved, groomed brows. And guys, I sort of changed my routine up. Inawasha sai kidogo juu nimetoka ku nini sai tu. Personally, I love shaving the outskirts, like kui-shape, na pia napenda ku-shave urefu. So I comb the brows up, then na trim, because eyebrows na growing very, very long. Before tuendelee, I want to show you something that I got. These cute pairs of earrings. Look at them. They're so cute. I am a gold fan. I love how gold like looks on me. It just makes your skin brighter. I don't know. Mimi nikiva silver naonanga inanifanyanga naka like dull. I need a restock of my makeup equipment and products, and I'm gonna do that soon. Look at this cute pair of 6D lashes that I got. They're quite expensive, but I got them regardless. I'm gonna use this tomorrow because tomorrow I have sort of a planned thing the whole day, and I have to look nice. We have come to the end of our video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification to get notified every time I post a new video. Leave me a thumbs up so that I can get recommended on other people on YouTube. And finally, comment down below. Let's interact. Find me on my social media platforms so that we can be more of friends. I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Kama kawa kama dawa. Bye bye.